How's it going, guys? I'm back. I got a new piece of electronic in the mail for my battery system. This can be used for pretty much any type of battery that's 2.4 volts and higher. All it does is it keeps the voltage of all 4 cells the same voltage, so I could use this with lithium, I could use it with whatever. If I had 4 of these, I could use it with my main system to get a 16S. But I have one right now, and I'm going to test it on my main battery bank. It says it can equalize up to 10 amps peak, so that's pretty cool. I did notice that when floating these batteries, sometimes one will be 15 plus volts, while another one's still 14 something. That's why I bought this. Gels don't like that, and to make these last longer, I bought this, and I'm going to be testing it out and see how well it works. Anyways, thanks for watching. So I have it hooked up now. You can hear it. It is, I just have it on there, but it's a little bit duct tape. You can hear it's working. It's making a high-pitched sound. So I'll have to check it sometime when I'm charging. Right now I'm off-grid. It's not very sunny outside, so I don't want to be taking any extra power that I don't have to. I'm running off the reliable again. I'll be doing a test again with the magnesign, but this time I'm going to hook up some more Chevy Volt batteries and see how she runs. How's it going, guys? Got a new video for you guys. It's windy here, so I got to cover the mic. We're at Frank Z's place. He's on YouTube. He's got his own channel, and we're just checking out his system. I picked up a few solar panels from him today. He's got 4,300 watts of solar here. That runs his house and runs a bunch of things in his house. And we're just going to give you a small little tour. We got some 2 volt batteries here. They're pretty neat. You can see through them. They're 1,000 amp hours each. Not being used for anything right now because there's only 4 of them. But neat, the different type of batteries he's got. And we're going to go into his off-grid section. He's got a 48 volt, 800 amp hour system. He's got 2 inverters. SWI Chinese inverter. I got the same one. His has been doing really good. The one I got up north is doing really good as well. That's the pure sine wave one, and then he's also got a modified sine wave Ames inverter that he uses for heaters and whatever else he feels like running off a modified sine wave. He's got a big AGM battery bank. They're really nice batteries. And he's also got this homemade battery monitor for each string of batteries. Where do you have that balancer?
It's underneath.
Okay, the balancer, he's got a balancer for all the different strings of batteries.
On the bottom.
To keep them all, that's why they're so nicely balanced at 14 volts each. I just got one of those as well. It's a nice little addition to a 48 volt system. He's got a, what is this, an Outback?
No, it's a Chinese copy of it.
Ah, a Chinese copy.
It is. It's a FlexMax 80 still, but it's made by Feng Fusan.
Oh, very nice.
And it works wonderful. And it's about half the price, by the way.
There you go. That's sweet.
They also make a 60 amp version as well.
Oh, I like this. Where did you get this? I'm gonna have to get
electrical store. 40 bucks for an 8-foot piece.
Okay, awesome. Awesome. That's a sweet system. It looks like it works pretty good. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out Frank Z's channel.
Thank you.
Well, it's a beautiful day today. It's not sunny, but it's still fairly bright, making over 1,000 watts, which is awesome. I just got back from Frank Z's is his channel name on YouTube, and I got back and I got 4,000 watts of solar, approximately. 12 panels at 335 watts each. Looks like they made it safely. I'm going to be taking them off the trailer shortly. And these panels here, I plan on putting over here. These ones are, we'll see anyways, but they go, I want them to hang down the side of the house, so I gotta build a little bracket system out of metal, go all the way across the house. That's my plan anyways, we'll see. That's where I'd like to put them. We'll see if I end up actually putting them there. These panels are more or less the same as those panels. I got 4 of those, and I got 12 of these. So I got quite a few of these panels, so let's see what we can do with them.